All right, so now that we've got our first editing project underway, we need to learn how to export it or render this file so we can actually use it on our Facebook page, our website, etc. So once we get all our clips done, we get everything edited like we want, we'll go ahead and hit File, then we'll hit Export, and then Media. So we want to start up here under Format. Format is basically how the video file is rendered out. I particularly like the H.264. Basically, that's just a fancy term for MP4. And then it'll kind of change some settings as it goes down. Pretty much preset match source high bitrate is fine. You can leave that alone. Output name, it'll be automatically whatever you name your sequence. So this one was the Brian interview. We'll go to our final call video where we have all these clips live. We'll just call it Brian interview. We'll hit save. That'll change the name, the location there. And then everything else should be good to go. And then we can either hit Q or export. If we hit export, it'll actually render out right here in Premiere Pro. Depending on which Adobe package, if you hit Q, it'll open up a different program that kind of renders the program out or the file out, or you can continue to use Premiere Pro. Just for this, we'll just hit export, and it's going to start rendering our file. That gives you a rough idea how long it'll take, and you should be, once this is done, you'll have an MP4 file to go ahead and export and post on your website, Facebook, etc.